Welcome to this tutorial on OpenCode, the open-source AI coding agent built by Anomaly. With over 184,000 GitHub stars and 22,000 forks, OpenCode is one of the fastest-growing open-source projects in the world. In this video, you'll learn everything you need to start using OpenCode today. OpenCode is an open-source AI coding agent designed to help developers write, edit, and understand code directly from the terminal, desktop, or IDE. It's built by the Anomaly team, the same people behind the developer Claude platform. What makes OpenCode special is that it's fully open source under the MIT license, provides free built-in models through its Zen service, supports over 75 LLM providers, and implements the ACP protocol for agent-to-agent communication. Let's look at the key features. OpenCode ships with a full-featured terminal user interface, a TUI that provides interactive sessions with the AI agent. It supports multiple sessions running in parallel, tab switching between build and plan agents, file references using the @ symbol, inline bash command execution, and undo and redo for changes. You can even share sessions via URLs. One of the most powerful features is the dual agent system. OpenCode comes with two built-in agents that you can switch between using the tab key. The build agent is the default, full-access agent for active development. It can read and write files, execute commands, and make changes. The plan agent is a read-only agent for analysis and code exploration. It denies file edits by default and asks permission before running bash commands, making it perfect for exploring unfamiliar codebases safely. OpenCode also supports the ACP protocol, Agent Communication Protocol, which is an open standard for agent-to-agent communication. This enables complex multi-agent workflows where OpenCode agents can talk to other ACP-compatible agents. It also supports MCP, the Model Context Protocol, allowing integration with a wide ecosystem of external services. Let's look at the architecture. OpenCode follows a monorepo architecture using Turborepo. The core packages include the TUI terminal interface, the CLI command line interface, the core agent logic, the ACP protocol implementation, and the LLM provider integrations. The model routing system connects to 75+ providers through the models.dev integration, with Zen providing curated benchmarked models that work out of the box. Getting started with OpenCode is incredibly simple. The recommended one-line install is curl command to opencode.ai/install. You can also install via npm globally as OpenCode AI, or with Homebrew on Mac OS and Linux, or with various package managers like Pacman on Arch Linux, Mice, and Nix. The desktop app is also available for Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. Once installed, you navigate to your project directory and simply type OpenCode to start the TUI. The agent will analyze your codebase automatically. You can start prompting right away, ask for a summary of the codebase, reference files with the @ symbol, execute bash commands with the exclamation mark, and switch between build and plan agents with the tab key. Now let's look at the OpenCode website and GitHub repository. The website at opencode.ai shows the hero section with download buttons and feature highlights. The GitHub repository shows the comprehensive README with all features, installation options, and community information. Let's talk about the comparison with other tools. Unlike Claude Code, which is proprietary and locked to Anthropic's ecosystem, OpenCode is fully open source under MIT. Unlike Codex CLI, which only supports OpenAI models, OpenCode supports over 75 providers. And unlike Cursor, which is a subscription-based closed-source IDE, OpenCode is completely free with optional paid upgrades. The use cases are incredibly diverse. You can use OpenCode for code generation and development, building entire features from natural language. You can explore unfamiliar codebases with the safe plan agent. You can refactor and modernize existing code, debug and troubleshoot issues, review pull requests, generate documentation, learn new programming languages, and even orchestrate multi-agent workflows with the ACP protocol. To summarize, OpenCode is the best open-source AI coding agent available today. It's MIT licensed, completely free, with 184,000 stars on GitHub. It supports over 75 LLM providers, has a beautiful terminal UI, dual build and plan agents, a desktop app, and a privacy-first design that never stores your code on their servers. Visit opencode.ai to install it today, or star the repo on GitHub at github.com/anomalyco/opencode. Thanks for watching.